dear student, welcome to Narayana live classes. We are doing rational numbers and our today's topic is equivalent rational numbers in standard form and how to represent rational number on number line. So we'll start with equivalent rational numbers. So what are equivalent rational numbers? So before we'll start with the definition, let us see. If I write 1 by 2, what is 1 by 2? 1 by 2, P is a number which is in the form of P by Q and both Q is not equals to 0. So we can regard 1 by 2 as a rational number. So if I multiply the numerator and the denominator both by 4, what do I get? I get 4 by 8. So what is the relation of 1 by 4 and 4 by 8? Can anyone tell? What is the relation between 1 by 4 and 4 by 8? Okay, let us see. So by multiplying or dividing rational numbers, by multiplying or dividing numerator or denominator of a rational number by a same number. If we multiply or divide the numerator or denominator of a rational number by a same number, the rational number will get is known as the equivalent rational number. The result we'll get is known as the equivalent rational number. Let us take one more example. If I write 5 by 10, I have written a rational number 5 by 10. If I divide both numerator and denominator by 5. If I divide both numerator and denominator by 5, what do I get? 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So I'll get 1 by 2. So 5 by 10 and 1 by 2 are what? Both are equivalent rational numbers. Both are equivalent rational numbers. So what are equivalent rational numbers? If we divide or multiply, the numerator and denominator of a rational number with the same number, then the result is called as equivalent rational number of the given. Here I have multiplied 1 by 2, the rational number 1 by 2, its numerator and denominator by 4. What do I get? I get 4 by 8. So what is 1 by 2 and 4 by 8? 1 by 2 and 4 by 8 both are equivalent rational numbers. Next is rational number in the standard form. Rational numbers, we have to represent rational numbers in the standard form. So what is standard form? Rational number in the standard form means the common factor between the numerator and denominator should be 1. If the common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1, then the rational number is said to be in its lowest form, in its standard form. Let us take an example. Suppose I'll write 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Now, numerator is 4 and denominator is 10. Numerator is 4 and denominator is 10. So, what is the common factor? We have something common. 4 is a even number and 10 is also a even number. So, the common factor between 4 and 10 is 2. Okay, both are even number, both are divisible by 2. So, the common factor between 4 and 10 is 2. So, this rational number, my 4 by 10, this rational number is is not in the lowest form. It is not in the lowest form. So we have to convert this rational number into the lowest form, standard form. So how we'll convert this 4 by 10? This 4 by 10, I need to divide both the numerator and the denominator with the common factor. Here common factor is 2. If I divide both the numerator and the denominator with the common factor, what do I get? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. I'll get 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Now, just see. 2 is a even number, 5 is a odd number. 2 is a even number and 5 is a odd number. So, what is the common factor between 2 and 5? 1. So, we can say that this 2 by 5 is the lowest form, is the reduced form or standard form of this rational number. So, what is the standard form? Our rational number is said to be in the standard form if the denominator and the numerator have no common factor other than 1. It is said to be in the standard form if the denominator and the numerator have no common factor other than 1. Then this rational number is said to be in its lowest form, in the reduced form or standard form. Now we'll see how we can draw a rational number on the number line. How we can draw rational number on a number line. So, for that, first we have drawn a number line. Suppose I need to represent rational numbers on a number line. Suppose I need to represent 1 by 2 on the number line. 1 by 2 on the number line. Okay, so 1 by 2 is a positive rational number. Here numerator is less than the denominator, so it will lie between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 okay. So what we will do, we'll divide this line segment. This line segment means the line segment between the two whole numbers. Which two whole numbers? 0 and 1. Into how many parts? Equal to the denominator. Here our denominator is 2. So we'll divide this into 2 equal parts. Okay. So 2 equal parts. Now just see the numerator. Numerator is 1. So the first part gives us our representation of the rational number on the number line. Our first part will give us a representation of the rational number on the number line. Let us take one more example. Suppose I need to represent a rational number that is minus 3 by 5. I need to represent a rational number minus 3 by 5 on the number line. So, first of all, minus 3 by 5 means it will lie on which side? It is a negative number. So, it will lie on which side? Left hand side. So, it will lie on the left hand side of 0. As the numerator is smaller than the denominator, so it will lie between 0 to minus 1. Okay, now we'll see the denominator. Our denominator is 5. So what we need to do? We need to divide this line segment in which two numbers, two integers, minus 1 and 0. Okay, into how many equal parts? Equal to the denominator. Okay, so 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I have divided the line segment into 5 equal parts. Okay, now I need to represent minus 3 by 5. So we'll start from 0, third part. Minus 3 means third. Minus sign is telling us that we have to go to the left hand side. Okay, and positive sign is telling us that we have to move to right hand side. Now the numerator is 3, so we have to count how many parts? 3 parts. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the representation of 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5 on the number line. This is the representation of minus 3 by 5 on the number line.